Hopefully my camera doesn't die. YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be styling my hair using straight natural hair clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. I have in the past done reviews on some of the hairs from this company. I'll link all those videos down below. However, today we're going to be styling our hair with our hair being out with natural hair clip-ins. I went ahead and filmed a length check and I straightened out my hair. You guys can check that as well. It's on my channel. I do talk about, you know, me being natural and what natural really means to me, and just being grateful that my hair can even get to this length. I've actually have reviewed this hair before, but I just want to show you guys the different ways you can actually style clip-ins. So if you'd like to see me style my hair using To All My Black Girls natural hair clip-ins, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright y'all, your girl has already put on her makeup. She has already straightened her hair. I'll link that video again, as I've mentioned, down in the description box down below so you guys can know how I got my hair to be this way. However, today is all about the clip-ins. I'm gonna keep with the center part. I didn't even part it correctly, so let's just get the center part together. And I think I might be using maybe 1.5 packs today. I'm not too sure. Okay. All right, let's get clipping. Oh wait, let me show you guys the hair first. So this is the company, To All My Black Girls. They sell a bunch of different hair. They sell straight hair, in terms of kinky hair, natural clip-ins, of course. They sell ponytails, drawstrings. They sell them in different hair types, type 4, type B, type whatever type you want, they have it. We're gonna be doing the straight kinky hair. All right, y'all, so this is the hair. I'm taking it out of the package. Guess I've used this hair already, but I love to put back hair in the packaging that they came in because I feel like it really preserves the hair. They did go ahead and send me 3 packs. However, I think I'm gonna need 2, but I'll definitely let you guys know. Each pack comes with 5, and I'll show you guys the length in 2 seconds. All right, this is the kinky straight clip-ins in 22 inches. Let's get clipping. All right, y'all, just to give you guys a reference, this is what the hair is looking like. It is extremely long. My hair is not as long as this, so that's good, because I was afraid that my hair might be a little bit too long for it. So this is the first length. It has about 5 clips. So we're gonna just unclip those right now. Then we have one with 4 clips, another with 3, and we have 2 with 2 clips. All right, y'all, let's get clipping. All right, y'all, voiceover time. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into 3 because you guys know I'm doing a center part. So I need 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clip those away eventually. But yeah. I'm just using my hands. I'm not using any comb whatsoever. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip those away and start with the back. So again, I'm just using my fingers to part my hair out. I do not like using combs because I feel like they're just a bit too harsh on my hair. So I'm just pulling out or parting out the individual sections. And to be honest, guys, you do not need a comb at all because the clip-ins are gonna hide it anyways. Ooh, I think I'm doing a good job though. Looks a little bit jaggy. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that away and then get to clip-in. So when I'm adding clip-ins to my hair, I like to kind of measure the hair first to make sure that it makes sense. So I realized that this one did make sense because it was closer to the nape of my neck. So I'm putting in the 3 clips into my hair, the length of 3 clips. And just look at this, guys. Do you see how easy this blends into my hair? Granted, my hair is more of a truer black, and I think this is a 1B or a little bit lighter than my hair. But do you guys see the blend though? Like, you'll see closer down to the end, you'll see how easily my hair blends with this. So I do the same thing again. I'm just parting it some more, and because it's a wider area, I'm gonna go in with a longer length clip, and I'll show you guys soon. But yeah, just going through, clipping away the hair. Be sure to do that, guys, so that your hair isn't snagging. Just allows for a better installation. So this is the 5 clip. Do you see how long this is? Do you see the ends as well? Like, it looks so freaking natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that in there. No rhyme or reason how I do it. Again, I'm just using my fingers and just clipping away. And as you can see here, I'm just trying to blend the hair into my hair, and it's looking so good, y'all. Like, look at this. I was pleasantly surprised because it was my first time using straight clip-ins in my actual straighter hair or straightened hair. Yeah, your girl was stoked. And then for the last clip, this is the 3-clip length one. I'm just gonna put that at the top and just show you guys how you blend this. Like, it's so seamless. Of course, you can tell a bit of difference in the color. However, once all of your hair is done, y'all, you do not see this. Like, it was lit. So onto my second pack. And again, I only used 2 packs of this. So maybe 1.5. But yeah, just same thing over and over, clipping away. So I'm gonna shut up now and yeah, watch.
Oh, we'll let you know when we secure the goods.
Oh my god. Look at here. Look at here. Oh my god. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Listen, okay, listen. I've tried a lot of clip-ins, okay? But I did not know straight hair clip-ins was gonna do it like this. What? No. I'm about to take pictures. There's still sun out. I'm gonna take some pictures. It has to happen. So I know my hair is long, okay? But these bad boys have made my hair look exponentially thicker and exponentially longer. Guys, get into how huge my hair is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super impressed with this. Love, love, love this. Thank you so much to all my black girls for sending me this hair. I do have 2 other videos coming up showing you guys how I style these clip-ins, so look out for those. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts as Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette, and welcome back to my I've used their products. Okay, I've reviewed their hair in the past, yeah. This is a bomb brush and I've used it ever since I bought it. They came out, oh my god. Is this too, like, dark? Is it too dark? I don't know, I really can't tell if it's too dark.